Do you sometimes struggle to start conversations in English? Don't worry. Today I'll share 10 useful small talk phrases that you can use anytime, anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident starting conversations in English. Phrase 1. Hi, how are you? The most common way to start a conversation. Hi, how are you today?
Hello, how are you doing?
Good morning. How are you?
Try this. Leave me a comment saying, "Hi, how are you?" And I'll reply back to practice with you. Phrase 2. Nice to meet you. Use this when meeting someone for the first time. Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
It's great to finally meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you too.
Phrase 3. Where are you from? A friendly way to learn about someone's background. I love your accent. Where are you from?
So where are you from originally?
Where are you from? I'm from London.
Why not leave me a comment saying, "Where are you from?" And I'll reply back to practice with you. Phrase 4. What do you do? This is a natural question asking about work or studies. So what do you do for work?
What do you do? Are you a student?
I'm a teacher. What do you do?
Phrase 5. Do you live around here? Perfect for starting small talk with strangers. This cafe is nice. Do you live around here?
Do you live around here, or are you just visiting?
I'm new to this area. Do you live around here?
Phrase 6. The weather is nice today, isn't it? This is a classic English small talk topic. It's so sunny today. The weather is nice, isn't it?
The weather is awful today, isn't it?
The weather changes so quickly here, doesn't it?
Why not leave me a comment saying how the weather is where you are? And I'll reply to let you know how it is here. Phrase 7. What do you like to do in your free time? This is a good way to get people to talk about their hobbies and interests. What do you like to do in your spare time?
I enjoy reading. What about you?
Do you play any sports in your free time?
What do you do in your free time? Leave me a comment and let me know. Phrase 8. Have you seen any good movies or shows lately? This is a fun and light conversation starter. Have you seen any good films lately?
I watched a new comedy yesterday. Have you seen it?
Any good shows to recommend?
Leave me a comment to let me know what you're watching. And if you have any recommendations. Phrase 9. That's interesting. A simple phrase you can use to show interest and keep the talk going. Oh, you come from France? That's interesting.
You play the piano. That's interesting.
That's interesting. Tell me more.
Why not leave a comment below and tell me something interesting about you? Phrase 10. It was nice talking to you. This is a polite way to end the conversation. I need to go now, but it was nice talking to you.
It was really nice talking to you. Let's do this again soon.
Nice talking to you. Have a good day.
So, those are 10 useful small talk phrases in English. Now you can start conversations confidently and sound more natural. Which phrase do you use the most? Or which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical English lessons every week. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video, and we'll see you next time.